If Shiba Inu breaks down below the 4002 level, then it could be coming down to the 4013 or possibly the 4010 level. Now, if Shiba Inu comes down from the 4002 level to the 4001 level, that is a 50% crash for Shiba Inu. Is that possible? What am I seeing on Bitcoin dominance with Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin and just a broader market trend? We've got to talk about this big warning for Shiba Inu holders. Let me be very clear. I'm bullish on Shiba Inu. It's been underperforming versus a lot of the major memes, which makes me believe that I think it's due for a major pump. But the broader market is falling, and so is Shiba Inu, and we've got to talk about these levels. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop right into this video. Jumping right into the Shiba Inu charts, this is what I'm talking about, guys. If you zoom out, we can kind of see the big target for us to break out to the upside is right at this 4036-ish level. We almost got there the other day, but we did not. And then I drew out the support for us at 4002, which we bounced off of beautifully. And you had a beautiful trading opportunity within that move that we talked about and called out on this channel. Members on our channel got access to the Shiba Inu video that I put out early. I'm putting out some videos for our members. If you want to become a member on our channel, sign up down below. Putting some videos out early with some of the trading signals and some of the calls that we're talking about. Nothing's financial advice. Do your own research, my friends. But now we have to talk about some potential downside because of this. Bitcoin dominance had a huge wick to the upside. We had a daily candle that we were watching closely yesterday that actually broke above the trend line. And today we have a red candle, but this red candle could flip green and go back to the upside. I'm cautious about it. The other thing that I'm seeing that's causing some fear for me right now, and I say fear very lightly because, again, I believe that cryptocurrency still has about 200 and something days left of bull market. And I think that Shiba Inu has a massive explosion ahead of it with 10x opportunities still from current prices. I do believe that. But there's short-term volatilities that I know people want to hear about, so we'll talk about them. Bitcoin rejected off of this range, and it is now coming down. It's down to 95K. There's a war where Bitcoin comes down to $85,000 that I discussed in my video earlier today. And there's a world where we see Bitcoin even come down to 74K again, which was its previous high that it broke out past from March of 2024. Now, first up, we'll hopefully find a stopping point at 85K if we come lower. There's a war where Bitcoin comes back up here, but we look like we're dripping down. Now, if Bitcoin drips down, typically altcoins crash harder than Bitcoin. Okay? Now, here's the scary part. Scary, on quotes. If you look at Bitcoin, if Bitcoin comes down to the 85K target that I have, that's a 10% move. Remember how altcoins come down harder than Bitcoin? Well, I've got critical support here for Shiba Inu at the 4002 level. If Shiba Inu comes down from current price levels and it comes down to this trend line, that's about an 8% move to that trend line. But altcoins come down more than Bitcoin when altcoins fall, which says that Shiba Inu might be about to break down below this level. Now, I am not telling you to panic sell your Shiba Inu. In fact, I look at dips as buying opportunities personally. Now, if you want to make trades based on some of these things, that's a different story, guys. You want to make a trade on Shiba Inu right now because you agree, you think it is going to break down. You could trade it if you want to. You could also try to find some support and do a long, whatever side you want to trade on, you can. You can trade Shiba Inu on Blowfin using our link up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up. I want to remind you guys right now with Shiba Inu that this coin, Dogecoin's only 2x away from its previous high, as you can see here. Shiba Inu, okay, is actually much further from its previous high. We've got still just to the previous high for Shiba Inu, a 3.2x over Dogecoin's 2x. So Shiba Inu's still got a lot of work to do, and I think it's going to put in that work when the true altcoin season starts. But in the meantime, if Bitcoin falls lower, 10% to this trend line, Shiba Inu is only 8% to this trend line. It could fall lower. We could see a stopping point at 4016. We could see a stopping point potentially right around here at 4013. And we could potentially see a stopping point here around 401. I think that 401 is probably going to be the strongest support. I also want to say that it's possible that maybe we just slip down to 4013-ish level. something around there, because, that's already a huge crash. That's a 34% move. Sounds scary, but that's a classic move for Shiba Inu, because what we do see for Shiba Inu at times is from June until March, we saw, it almost go 10x. One goes up, comes down sometimes. Nothing goes straight up. A little bit of retracement. And here's the reason that it's all happening. It's this Bitcoin dominance, guys. As Bitcoin dominance has been climbing, it's been outperforming a lot of the altcoins. There's been some that are outperforming Bitcoin, but generally, Bitcoin's been performing a lot of the altcoin market. If you want Shiba Inu to go up, you're going to want to see this Bitcoin dominance collapse. We've been talking about this a lot in our Shiba Inu and Dogecoin videos and Pepe videos. And all of our videos, our Crow videos, whatever, Jasmine videos. If Bitcoin dominance continues up here, Shiba Inu is probably coming back down. If Bitcoin dominance can come back down and at least revisit 55% before breaking inevitably and hopefully lower, then we could see Shiba Inu get a bounce if Bitcoin dominance comes down. The other reason that you got to look out for downside for Shiba Inu is the total market cap, the total market cap, the total market cap. $3 trillion was our previous peak in 2021. Here we are. I want some daily candle closes off that. These are the daily candles. We haven't had some daily candle closes, the bodied candle closes around this range yet. I want to see that before continuation, real continuation to the upside. I said there was a chance that we were seeing a bottom here because we did see Bitcoin dominance get some closes below this, signaling maybe it was going to reverse. But then we did get a green candle close that came above this. Bitcoin is now slipping and the equation has changed, and it looks like total market cap needs to get these daily candle closes around this range. I told you guys that would make me feel better for this entire time, even though I've been looking for a bounce. The daily candle closes off 3 trillion would make me feel a lot better about reversal to the upside and an altcoin season actually beginning where Shiba Inu breaks its previous highs, starts with a 3x, and brings even a 10x, maybe more, to Shiba Inu investors in this bull market. That's all I have. It's a quick update for you guys on Shiba Inu. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hodl my friends, of course, and I will see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.